How to install apron flashing pieces. To complete the detail finish at the top of a monopitch roof where the slope of sheeting meets a vertical wall to an adjoining building, a Euro 6 apron flashing can be used. Place the apron flashing piece on top of the Euro 6 fibre cement sheet, but set further back so that the vertical cladding can go over the apron flashing piece. The fixing positions should be located 100mm from the bottom of the apron flashing piece and fixed through the centre of the first and last full corrugation. Our apron flashing pieces are manufactured as standard with a left-handed socket, meaning that they can be used on sheeting placed left to right or right to left. However, this will be determined by the position relative to the side lap of the sheeting. Please do not hesitate to contact our technical department if you require further assistance.